What's up, Scrapman Nice? It's the Sandusky Scrapman, back with another video. We on our way to the scrap yard. I got a call this morning. Guy said he's setting out a bunch of scrap for me to come pick up. So I'm headed to the scrap yard. I'm finna kick this load up out the truck, and then I'm gonna slide up over there and grab whatever he got, man. And then that leaf spring and stuff came in yesterday for my trailer, so we getting the trailer fixed today too. And like I said earlier videos, the trailer already got scrap in it, man. The trailer got about 800 pounds of scrap in there already. What the hell? Hold on, y'all. I don't know if that was a turkey or a peacock or what that was. We're gonna double back though. I'm about to let y'all see. That's a turkey. Here, y'all. Pretty sure that's a turkey. Yeah, that look like a turkey just running around chilling. He said it's safe. It ain't Thanksgiving no more. It's safe. The stuff you see while you out scrapping, man. Damn. If I ain't had this camera on, if I didn't have this camera on and I told people I saw that, they would have thought I was lying. But anyway, so we're gonna get our trailer fixed today, and I really need that to happen ASAP. The guy said to call him around 10:30, so that's gonna give me plenty of time to go running around, taking care of some stuff, and then I'll be able to go and cause he gonna have to come to my house and fix it, man. We ain't gonna be able to drive it. I ain't gonna be able to take the trailer to him. He gonna have to fix it at my house. And good thing it ain't bad outside. It ain't raining, it ain't too cold, ain't no snow out. So that's a good thing. But anyway, I'm about to head to this scrap yard, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, Scrapman Nice, we at the yard, man. Maybe it's that mirror, man. I can't see what the weight is from here. That's crazy, man. In my van, you can see that mess clear as day, man. I don't understand. It's got to be my mirror somehow. Why do they do that? If I had known I was gonna see that when I walked in here, I would have gave that man my card. I swear I would have. Yeah, that's close. I would have gave that old dude my card. Said, next time you want to get rid of this stuff, man, hit me up, man. Damn. Another one bites the dust. Y'all see all that beautiful copper in there, man? Damn, that big old seal unit, all this copper. Lord have mercy. No A-frame this time. Damn. All that copper, man. See, I got to get me a constant supply of these, dog. I gotta find a plug, man, that I can constantly get these from, because that will increase my profits a whole lot, man. Anybody that got a connection with copper, man, you're gonna make a whole lot of money in the scrap game if you can get a constant supply of copper. It's unavoidable. It is unavoidable. I almost forgot about all this aluminum in here. We definitely got a lot of aluminum in here. It's definitely a lot of aluminum in here. Man, okay, we're gonna have to pull this aluminum out, y'all, cause all that stuff is up under this aluminum. So we're gonna have to put the aluminum to the side and toss it back in afterwards.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's going on? Huh?
About that trailer, man.
Oh, it's getting fixed today. The part came in, my stuff came in yesterday.
Just yesterday.
Yeah, it came in like 6 o'clock, man. So I called him, I called Langs, and he was like, he said about 10:30 he'll come and fix it, cause I can't drive the trailer to him. The axle was, yeah, I can't, you know what I'm saying?
Proper to take care of.
Yeah, he'll fix it. Yeah, he fixed he put the front trailer the front axle, he put that on there, and then the leaf spring broke on the other side. He fixed that. So he'll
might have it today or tomorrow.
Today, he gonna do that today.
You'll be done today.
Yeah.
But you probably won't be here till tomorrow though.
I don't know, cause I got scrap in there already.
Oh,
I told you that. I got about 800 pounds in there. It's just been sitting in there.
I'll see you about 12 o'clock.
I'll see. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna take him to do what he got to do.
I'm just so used to not seeing that trailer when I see the trailer.
Well, it will for sure it'll be here tomorrow. All right, you too. All right, let's see what we're working with. Scrapman nights, something light. Look like definitely something light. Yeah, I don't like coming to the scrap yard with just my truck, man. I don't like that. I do not like that. When I look at this paper, I want to see hundreds and 120s, 150s. I want to see that. I don't want to see $47, man. Yeah, I don't like that. I gotta get, well, it's gonna get fixed today, so it ain't even no point in worrying about it. Let's go, we finna head to the crib and kick out this aluminum, and then we finna get back out here, man. Subscribe to the channel. Looky here, we got action. And you know what the motto is. Get in my truck. Get in there. We finna go get some gas and then go pull up. Chill. Okay, y'all, so we see this little scrap out here that was left for us. You know what we about to do. We're finna get in this truck. Get in my truck. We're just gonna toss it in, man. Got some weight to it. Alrighty. What's up, Rick? In Vermilion?
Where the garage where we store all the stuff at?
Oh.
Oh, he got all that motherfucking stuff right there, man. I don't know what he gonna do.
Sound like he trying to keep it. Huh?
Cause he ain't gonna scrap it. I mean, he got all that fucking shit, old heavy ass, man, all that.
I might have to have a conversation with him then.
I mean, that's shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a talk with him.
I just got my truck fixed up today, man. Well, first I thought it was the battery. When the battery was off, man.
Is that brass? Yeah, we're gonna have to take that off. I think that's brass. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a talk with him, man, because if he got all that stuff out there, I need parts.
I mean, them old time trailers and all that stuff.
For real, you got trailers out there too?
Them old time trailers.
What you mean by that?
You know, them trailers you be pulling. You can make a trailer, you can pull it. Yeah, but I mean, he got it. It must have been his you know, that great leave all that shit.
Oh yeah, okay, I got you.
Well, he was trying to give me something at one time, man. I'm not putting that shit on my truck.
Well,
You want me to drag it from where your truck at and that shit way over there at that motherfucker.
oh, that's the same spot you was telling me where they didn't want you to drive in the grass or
Yeah,
something?
yeah.
Oh hell,
Man,
that's gonna make stuff difficult.
yeah, it makes it hard.
Yeah.
They offered him 149 for that house.
What, the one on Prospect?
They offered him 149. He said, nope.
No. What do you want, more?
159. 159.9.
That's what he want?
That motherfucker, he gonna get it too.
Huh.
$10,000. He said,
He said he want his 10. He said he want his 10 bands.
He gonna get it. He gonna get it too. He got 100. He got 100 tied up in that motherfucker.
100. Oh,
100,000.
man, that's how much he spent fixing it.
No, he bought it.
Bought it and fixing it up.
He bought it for 52.
Damn.
He bought it for
So he
52.
spent 48 on there then.
Yeah, cause my boy got one over there on Adams. He want 39.
Just 39?
39,000. But ain't no walls in it.
Shit. So what? That's
39,000. I mean,
39?
Spencer said he wanted to look at it. But like I say, $39,000. 609 Adams Street.
I already know which house you talking about.
Right next to the church.
Here's a map of West
Oh
Adams,
no, that ain't the one.
Ohio.
Playing the church right there.
Yeah.
609 Adams Street.
I thought you was talking about across the street from where Stu Williams and them used to live at. 39,000, damn.
See, that's the Clinton Church right there.
Yeah.
That's the Clinton Church. That house right there, right next to it.
I know what house you talking about. I think Sharice used to stay there.
Well,
I
we-
say 116.
No. That's
Oh,
That's
okay.
something real old. He bought it for 39. He bought it for 39,000. We gutted it out, me and Shumo and them. And he never. That's the dude on the house next door to Shumo, and the house on, you know, that house on 5th Street, that 6 unit, that beautiful building down there.
Yeah.
For $500,000.
Okay.
Yeah, $39,000. Spencer said he wanna look at it. But you, like I said, you gotta do all the drywall in that one.
Yeah.
That's a lot of drywall.
It ain't gonna matter. For that amount of money, it wouldn't even matter.
Yeah. And you can make a 2-unit out of it.
Yeah.
2-story.
Yeah, that's why it wouldn't even matter. I'd do it if I had it to do.
Yes.
I might have to figure something out.
If you make a lot of that store, man, but I'm gonna go with Kim, get the quick $100, these 2 hours, $100. Go around and around, you be there all day. That's 60 in your pocket.
Where he at, man?
Around that corner.
Oh, he over there. I might have to go over there and talk some shit to him. All right, man. We got action. Of the aluminum variety. Let me grab my gloves. Let's see. I need this. Anything under here? Nope. I need this though. And I need that screen and that piece of aluminum. this. Anything else in here I need? Any more screens? Well, we got a whole bunch of aluminum, boy. Lord have mercy. I swear we got about 200 pounds of aluminum, man. We just gotta figure out how to not get ripped off. Sheesh. Anything else in here we can salvage, man? Nope. We could take this off. I wonder if this is this got wood in here. We about to take this thing. If it is some wood in there, it ain't much because the rest of this is metal. So we finna take this baby. Yep. If it is some wood in here, there ain't no wood in here. This is all aluminum. This is all aluminum. All right, man. I think that's it, y'all. Yep, that's it. See what else we can find over there, and I'll meet you over there, man, so I can grab that leaf spring.
I might need to see that. Okay.
All right, yeah, just let me know when you're heading over there, and I'll meet you over there.
Because we want to make sure it's right, too. You know.
Well, it's the same leaf spring that was used on the other side of the trailer. It's the same one.
Then it should be perfect.
Yeah,
okay.
It's the same one. I found it on my Amazon account.
Well, okay. I probably won't need that. Just mark it up and see what I need. I mean, I just got to see what kind of U-bolts I need and take a tape measure. I can measure the other side. All right.
All right.
All right, see you.
Yep. Get in my truck. This thing got some weight to it, y'all. And we out of here. Let's see what else we can throw in this truck. Okay, YouTube, so I've been riding all around trying to figure out where I could find some more scrap at, because I only needed like a little bit. Now I had the truck full, and then it hit me, man, you ain't even been to the school today yet. So I'm about to head to the school and finish loading up the truck, man. And then I just got off the phone with the mechanic, so he gonna be stopping at my crib to take whatever measurements he gotta take to fix my trailer, put that leaf spring back on there. So we're gonna be heading to the house here in a minute. After we leave the scrapyard, we're gonna head back to the house to deal with the trailer, man, because we need that trailer, y'all. We got a cast iron, we got 2 cast iron tubs in there. We got a refrigerator in there. We got a stove or a washing machine, I don't remember, and some other little stuff in there, man. So we trying to, if we can get all of that to the scrapyard today, that'd be great. And I don't know what else we got going on, but right now we finna head over here to the school, man, and see what they got for us. Catch y'all at the school. look like we got a bunch of conduit up over here, man. So some wire, conduit and wire and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna take it. That is for sure. Get in my truck. Let's get it. How much battery juice we got? Yes, indeed.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We is back at the scrap yard, man. Man, I really hate when people be doing that, man. Just leaving that stuff. Push that stuff back by the pile, man. Let's kick this stuff out the truck, man. I don't think we need. Let's take it anyway. Take them anyway, man. I don't think we need them though. We're gonna grab them anyway. Damn, they ain't take the copper off? Oh my God, these people be stressing me out, man. Why would they not take off the copper, dog? That's brass. That's brass. And that's copper and that's copper. And they just left it on there. Swear, man. I don't know what these people be doing, dog. Ugh. Lord have mercy. Couldn't have been me. Could not have been me. Okay. Wires.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh man, I forgot about that piece of brass. We need that up off of there. All right. Let's perform surgery on this baby, y'all. Let's perform surgery. Man, I'm like tempted to take that keep that whole thing, yo. Come on, man, we got time. We finna perform some surgery on this baby. Y'all, I don't think my batteries is any good, y'all. I think all my batteries are dead, man. Damn. I think all my batteries are dead. Hold on. We about to find out. This is one battery. That's one battery. This is two batteries. Let me see. We should have two more batteries in here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, how much juice on this joint? Oh, this one got a little bit of juice. Should be one more big battery in here somewhere. If we can find that other big battery, we should be good. Let's see if we can get the job done with those. We missing another battery though. We missing another one of those too, but I have no idea where it's at. It's definitely not in this truck. So let's deal with these right here, man, and then we'll figure the rest out. You feel me? No, we need this one. Yeah. I'm gonna take this baby apart, bro. We need that aluminum. We want the aluminum. And definitely that brass. Okay, so I don't know. I got that. Too small. It's definitely gonna be them the same size. This gonna be too big. I don't think I got enough for these, man. Damn. That would be unfortunate, man, if I don't. Nope. Nah, this ain't gonna fit. Damn, I got to have some more of these somewhere in this truck, man. Cause I know I had a whole bunch of these. Where would they be at though, man? Damn. Yep. This will do it. I hope so anyway. Yep. This will work. Come on, man. Damn it. This ain't gonna work. If it's gonna do this every time. Man. That's crazy, man. This is not coming out, bro. Damn. This is some bullshit. Alright, man, let's try a different one then. Good. Smalls. aluminum. This is brass. This is a nice chunk of brass, y'all. Nice little chunk of brass. Hope y'all can see that. Alright, let's toss him in there. I got some weight to it. Damn, I need that. I don't know if we're gonna be able to. I really just wanted that brass, to be honest, y'all. I really just wanted the brass. If I can't get this off, I ain't gonna worry. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm about to keep losing bits to it. See, this one's stuck too, man. See, that's... Damn. Here we go. If we can get it off, we're gonna take it off, man. If not, I ain't gonna worry about it. I need a bigger one. This is brass. I mean, this is aluminum. Yep. You can stay. What about? I got some bigger pieces, man. This might be too big. Man, you ain't gonna be able to fit it in there. Yeah. Might be over with, y'all. I'm already spending too much time on this, man. Damn. It's too much time being spent on it. I really just wanted the brass, man. I really just wanted the brass. I got what I wanted. Let me get that up out the truck, man. You're spending this much time on stuff.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, y'all, we definitely going to the other scrap yard, man. Cause we got a whole bunch of aluminum. We got a whole bunch of we definitely got a bunch of wires. Maybe that's all I'm gonna take is the aluminum and the wires, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the aluminum and the wires, and I'll keep everything else to the end of the month, man. Hopefully he get out here before this battery die. Huh? He ain't, man, he ain't even, I'm looking for my damn phones. I hope I ain't dropped them.
For what?
My phones. Oh shit.
Go back and take a look.
Oh, there they go. Never mind. I'm about to call this dude right now. Cause he bullshitting. I'm trying to get busy. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get to work and he playing.
He's not even at the shop?
Nah, he got to go to my house to do it.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't pull the trailer over there to him. All right. Hold on, let's see what we got real fast, y'all. Man, that was only 500 pounds? Wow. I didn't pay attention, to be honest, but I'm not surprised. We ain't really have a lot in there. This is killing me, man. Yeah, y'all, we about to blow this guy up, man. Tell him to get his ass over there and take care of that trailer, man. Cause if he had took care of it earlier today, we could have came back with the stuff that was already in the trailer too, man. So we would at least had 1,000. Well, we'd have had more than 1,000. So hey man, let me call. I'm about to pull up on this dude. He playing, y'all. So anyway, man, we finna put some gas in this baby, and then we gonna head over here to the mechanic spot, man. And sometimes you got to hover over this guy to get him to do what he's supposed to do, man. Because people will go up in there and they'll just be pulling his attention away from everything he's doing, man. So sometimes you got to go in there and stand over him to make him do what he's supposed to do, man. I don't like having to do that type of stuff because I got other things to do. But if that's what I got to do to get my trailer together, then goddamn it, that's what I'm about to go do. So I'll see y'all later, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe button, man. This is the Sandusky Scrapman. Thank you to all my subscribers. And again, we gonna be coming out with memberships, man. So I need y'all to give me some ideas, man, because I want to make it exclusive for the viewer, man. I want to make it exclusive for the viewer. So I need y'all to tell me what would be some good ideas for this membership, because I posted a short and didn't nobody respond to it, man. So we gotta make sure we get on this, man, because I'm trying to make it exclusive for the viewer, man. So I know some things that I want to do. I want to be able to come and go scrapping with my members. That is definitely something that I want to do. So outside of that, I need y'all to help me out, man. Y'all gotta leave me some ideas, man. Sandusky Scrapman, I'm out.
It's not a game.